Hey guys, so we are about to be going to look at dogs to pick out a dog that we want, that they were just born yesterday?
No, the day before yesterday.
The day before yesterday, and in 3 months we will get to keep this dog or go pick it up, but we have to pick it out first, so we're going to do that.
They're not gonna do anything.
Rich
Not for a
people.
puncture. They can put a stitch in that.
Rich people.
Big enough. Definitely a big Yorkie fan. They're all pretty.
Prize winning.
Mom and dad, you know. Mama. New Jersey. That's my order.
Mom is about 6 pounds, he's about 5, maybe 5.5. These pups will probably be 6 to 7 pounds.
You think so?
Yeah. Yeah, they're not gonna be tiny ones. We'll be back.
Okay.
They're awful friendly. I'll be right back. They're barely 24 hours old.
I've never seen them when they were that little.
Oh my god.
Six, huh?
They're so beautiful.
6 or 7?
6.
It's hard to. You gotta see this one twice. He's up and under there.
Hey, you can pick them up. You're not gonna hurt them.
Oh no, I
Pick
don't
'em up.
know. Afraid to.
She
It's
picks
so
them by their
little.
head.
I know she
Yeah.
does.
Moves them wherever she wants them.
We had a Yorkie for 15 years. It's been a year since he passed.
Yeah.
So
Yep.
yeah.
Last December.
And we're
Now, what
just.
he passed from?
15 years old.
Look at you.
You're not gonna hurt them one bit.
And I guess we're trying to decide. The one we had, he was 4 pounds. It was as big as he ever got.
Oh, okay. Well, these guys are gonna be a lot bigger than that. I'm really thinking 6 to 7 pounds.
It's a fusser.
They give you any trouble finding them?
No. Brought it through here.
But sometimes it will take you on a road called Thompson's Farm Road, Thompson's Farm Road, and it's a dead road. If anywhere near the doesn't well.
Luckily we didn't do that. I was surprised to see a cop sitting up here watching this road.
Oh
Little
yeah.
as it is, but
Yeah, they fly down this road. I mean, fly down this road.
all that rain, it's hard to see. Oh, that doesn't go slow.
I mean, really would love. I don't know how, because I remember talking about 3 more pounds.
These are so
2 to
gorgeous.
3, 6 to
I want
7.
to grow out their hair. Like, which one do you
If you pick the
favorite?
smallest one, you're probably gonna end up being
Can't
the
have a
smallest
favorite,
one.
they're all so
Well,
cute.
Anybody's
How
guess.
do you know?
Anybody's guess.
This
But
one's
yeah.
very active.
How does it work? I mean, do you
He's so
tag them or how do
sleepy.
you?
We'll microchip him.
Oh wait, I forgot about that. Yeah.
If you pick
He's
one,
been
we'll
sitting
microchip
like the whole
it.
time.
So usually
This
chip
one, this one moves.
new paws and tails around day 5 to 7.
This one has really long
Yeah.
hair.
We can chip them. We can chip them at any time.
Right.
So all of our pups are chipped.
Oh my
Gosh.
I like that one, huh?
But don't take one just because they're here. You want to wait.
She's smiling.
She lives with me. As white as she is, she was born that color.
Anytime it's like closer to 12 weeks old that you can start telling if they're a chocolate Yorkie or whatever.
Right.
So,
Yeah, they'll start changing around 10 weeks. They start getting their silver.
so the blue and gold, is that what they are? Blue and gold.
It does. That's it.
Every Yorkie you see starts off like that right there.
Remember when we got Harley? I don't know how many weeks old he was, but he was like that already. They're getting strong already. They're getting so strong.
Well,
Isn't that good?
and that too.
Put
I
your
did
hands on him. There you go.
blue and gold, not black and tan. Yeah, so yeah,
Oh, it's so pretty.
Okay,
Somehow,
I'm good with it.
somehow, that color.
All right. Who's gonna pick?
Me.
Crystal is.
Little tail. Look at his little tail.
Weight would be the only thing you'd have, and then feeding will change.
Boy, and then they got a girl named her Harley, and they have an old one, and they said when he passes, they're gonna get another one, named him Davidson. Daisy
That's why
Duke
we named ours.
Harley
Literally.
Davis.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why we named ours this. Yeah,
me too.
wouldn't that be nice? That's what I
Jack,
thought.
I was thinking, how am I going to hook him to my phone so I can see where he's at?
Yeah. No, it only works like at that's off of shelters and stuff where they have the scanners.
Oh, so if somebody steals it and brings it in, then you got him.
Or finds him. And
Yeah.
brings
Right,
him in.
finds him, there you go.
Little blood cells.
Yeah. I don't know if I have it this year anyways.
Fire.
I'm still holding them out. It's okay. It's fine.
Seven pounds is a little
Say
bit
nope.
more difficult for a hawk to fly off with anyway.
And I worked Thursday and Friday. And she was like, well, I want to first pick any Yorkie I've ever had. I have always had first pick the little bear.
It never did grow back. I remember that one year because I had to put on it. But yeah, hair never grew.
It took Luke about 3 years to get his hair back, but he finally did.
Yeah.
And I couldn't go in there to do it. I wouldn't get in the middle of doing that stuff.
Right, I know. Or
I hated to
sometimes
lose
three.
him. I was scared I would, but didn't lose him. And you come back.
Make him a nervous wreck for you
Well,
to get there.
he decided I was going to shoot that gun. It's a big shotgun. And of course, he'd get me all ready, and it's up against your shoulder where it should be, like, pull it out. Because I think that's going to hurt. Well, he'd put it back, say, no, you got to hold it firm. And
Right.
well,
I just wanted to tell you all that. That's where that's the house we're buying.
By beginning of the year.
okay,
Right.
you're fine, you're fine.
So right